This video is going to walk you through how to find printable success with Positivity Printables. So the goal of today's video is to show you how you can create Positivity printable products and turn them into a profitable business. So we'll be looking at the numbers behind Positivity products, scientific benefits of these products. We'll take a look at some product and shop success stories to show you what's possible. And then we'll look at some examples of popular Positivity products to inspire. Everyone is talking about positivity. I did a little bit of search term research for you, and on Etsy, this is what I found. For the keyword manifestation, there were over 22,000 searches. So this could be something like a manifestation journal. It could be prompts to help people write their own manifest. On the keyword of gratitude journals, there were over 5,000 searches, almost 5,500 searches. For vision boards, there were over 33,000 searches. And there's tons that you could do with vision boards. You could do sort of the actual like printable stickers. You could do little printable phrases or words. You could put together reports or packs that help people create their own vision boards. That's just a few ideas of what you could do to tap into those keywords. So what do those numbers actually mean? Essentially, they mean that someone is out there searching that term. There is an ongoing high demand for positivity products. People are generally trying to be happier and healthier, and they're willing to pay for products that help them do that. One great advantage of printable products is that your users can start using them immediately. So they can buy the product, download it, print it, and they're good to go. They can start their gratitude journal that afternoon. There are also a ton of scientific benefits to positivity. So this isn't just something kind of that you made up and, maybe it's going to work, maybe it's not. There have actually been plenty of studies that show how important this type of thinking is. For example, there was a study in 2016 by Dr. Carol Dweck that focused on the importance of a growth mindset. So she essentially found out that students who were living in poverty, so maybe had sort of a more difficult life, those that had a growth mindset were more likely to be successful later on than students that didn't. So essentially, positive thinking and belief in yourself can lead to greater creativity and more success. There's another study by Dr. Barbara Fredrickson. She researched the pursuit of happiness and how positivity can sort of influence that pursuit. So what she found is that people who approach life in a positive way, so something that like a gratitude journal could help people with, are more likely to see the positive things in their life. And those that approach their life in a negative way or have a negative mindset are more likely to see the negative things. So let's take a look at some product and shop success stories. There are definitely people out there that are selling a lot of printables in this category. So this one here is a gratitude journal specifically designed for Black women. It's the #1 bestseller on Amazon in the category of Unitarian Universalism, and it has almost 600 5-star ratings. Here is a printable habit tracker. So this allows people to sort of set goals, certain habits that they want to have. Maybe it's reading every day, or maybe it's taking a walk each evening, whatever their habits are, and track them over time. This is an Etsy seller, Simple and Trendy company. They have over 67,000 sales with almost 10,000 positive reviews. And you can see that was not a difficult one to make. It's essentially just graph paper. So here we have some positivity wall art. This is a really cute print, maybe for a child's bedroom or for a classroom. It comes from the Etsy shop Art Prints Factory, and they have over 113,000 sales. You'll notice that this was not a difficult print to make. It's simply some text with some colorful boxes. So this did not take a graphic designer. No one was drawing amazing artwork. They just typed some text and made some boxes. Some tips that I have for creating positivity printables: you need to make sure that what you're creating appeals to a wide audience. So if you're making something that is so niche that it appeals only to women in Canada that ride bikes and love Subway, it's going to be harder for you to find people to buy your product. But if you make it appeal to a wider audience, women who ride bikes, you're more likely to reach that audience and then make more sales. I recommend selling things in ping and vector files so that people can print them in any size. Depending on what you're selling, sort of like journals and things also can be good in PDF. Think about your design, not that you have to be a graphic designer, but pick like an attractive looking font, colors that look good together. Make sure that what you're selling, you would purchase it. All right, if you would like a ton more tips about positivity printables, how to make them, niches that I recommend, specific tricks for advertising, I've got an over-the-shoulder video training with a helpful mini guide and a ton of done-for-you templates so you can start creating these printables today. All you need to do is customize, publish, and sell these in-demand products, and your customers will buy them over and over. This product is perfect for people who want to sell positivity printable products, anyone who wants to create income streams with little to no writing, and people who want to branch out and try something a little bit different. The product is Positivity Printables Made Easy, and you can learn more about it on my website,